Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about 10 of some of the most common used phrasal verbs in English. Let's get started with the first one. So the first one is turn on and turn off. So obviously we use this phrasal verb when we are talking about electrical items. So you turn off your phone, you turn off the computer, etc. So I'm going to give you some example sentences. Turn on the TV, I want to watch a program. Or turn off the TV, it's time to go to bed. On to the second one, we've got put on or take off. Now these two are commonly used when we're talking about clothes because obviously you put on your clothes and you take them off. So I'm going to give you some examples. I was cold, so I put on a jacket. Or before I enter the house, I always take off my shoes. The third one is find out. And find out means to learn or discover new information. So let me give you some examples. Can you find out what time the first train to London arrives? Or I just found out that my co-workers are organising a surprise party for me. The fourth one is to give up. And give up means to stop doing something. So let me give you some examples. I need to give up smoking. Or the book was so difficult to read that I gave up reading it. Now number 5 is put away. So this means to put something back where it originally came from. Some examples could be, your clothes are all over the floor, please put them away. Or, I put away all the toys and then I cleaned the house. The sixth one is throw out or throw away. So this basically means to dispose of an item in the rubbish, or if you use American English, you would say the trash. An example sentence could be, the bananas were rotten, so I threw them away. Or, I accidentally threw out some important documents. Number 7 is to fill in. So this one means to give missing information. And you'll normally hear this being used in exercises in textbooks. So they'll normally ask you to fill in the gap or fill in the sentences. An example could be, in order for me to get a passport, I had to fill in many different documents. On to number 8, we've got to get along or to get along with. So this one means to have a good relationship with somebody. An example could be, my parents get along very well, they've been married for over 35 years. Or, we get along with our boss, we enjoy working for her. Number 9 is to look after, and this means to take care of someone or something. So let me give you some examples. My mother promised to look after my dog while I was away on holiday. Or, now my grandmother has gotten older, we all need to look after her more. Okay, and on to the last one, number 10, we've got to look forward to. And this means that you are anticipating something with pleasure. An example sentence could be, I always look forward to the beginning of a new semester. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you would like to see a part 2, then please do leave some comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell if you would like to see further videos in the future.